What's up people, and welcome back to Thanksgiving vlog. And if you are following us on Instagram, then you know from the stories we are at Yeshu and Ashley's place. It's a family Thanksgiving day and some of our friends are coming over. So it's almost 2 o'clock and everybody is busy setting up the table. So let me give you a little bit of a glimpse of how the table is set up.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving! So let's go check out the table. So the cheese board is ready over here, as you already saw a little glimpses of it. And then everybody has their placing set over here. There's gonna be so much food over here. I don't know if this table is gonna be big enough, but we are excited for all the food. And then Ashley has made these custom mason jars for everybody to drink, and then they have everybody's name printed on it, so everybody knows where they're sitting with their own custom mason jars. Isn't that cool? And then the table is getting ready with all the food that's gonna come out of the oven. As you guys know, turkey takes forever to cook, and then there are gonna be ribs, there are gonna be mashed potatoes, and whatnot.
Dessert. Oh, dessert. Okay.
There we go. We've made it live. Alrighty, the food
It's ready.
is ready.
And you guys saw everything.
Yes.
And we need to put it in our mouth. It's so good.
Let's go eat.
Yeah, that's good.
All right, let's see this turkey. It's going out of the platter. It's okay. It's perfectly cooked. Woohoo! All right, getting some from this side here.
Woohoo!
All right, so
Butchering the turkey.
it's a struggle here.
Like shredded turkey now.
Yeah.
If it makes you feel better, this is the best turkey carving I've ever seen. It's also my first time.
All right, I got
How
the
many
wings.
else you have seen?
All right, I got the leg pieces out.
Ooh!
What's in only
just-
green beans?
Just
What's in
green
green
beans.
beans?
Everything is so good. Oh god. My favorite is the turkey and the gravy.
Okay people, so it's time to play some games, because when we are here, no day goes without a game. So today's game is gonna be a festive game that's called White Elephant, and it's played with the gifts. So those are all the gifts. Nobody knows whose gift is what, and we're gonna mix them up. We're gonna keep them in the middle, and then everybody has to pick a number. So whatever number they get, from 1 to 6, because we have 6 people playing today. That person in that sequence needs to pick up a gift, choose a gift, and open it. So when the first person do that, the second person picks up another gift, and that person has already seen the first gift, so now he has or she has the liberty to choose between the gifts. They can either keep the gift they open, or they can exchange it. Now remember, they can only do that 3 times, right?
Each gift only gets 3 times.
Yeah, so each gift can only pass 3 times.
The third
so,
person gets it.
Yeah, so that when the third person gets it, it's locked. That's it. So that is how. And I think the person who gets the chit number 1 gets to go at the last.
Yeah.
So the person with number 1 gets to go at the end one more time after everybody has picked the gift, because obviously we don't want to have that person at any disadvantage. So if you still didn't understand the game, enjoy, play with us, have fun, comment, ask questions.
Alright, choose the chits. Just 6 of them. Choose the numbers.
They choose a number.
And just 2 options now. Alright, who's got a 1?
I got 5.
Alright, let's sit in a circle.
She's number 1.
Alright, let's sit in a circle.
Alright, try to win the camera. Alright, you wanna play the gifts?
Yeah.
Me?
Alright.
We first have to play the gift.
Alright, let's do that.
Let me see. What number? Oh, number 6. I'm number 6 and you're number 1.
Ooh, nice.
Fragile items, please. Careful.
We could have kept everything on the floor and moved this thing.
That's fine, guys.
That's fine. Alright, everybody sit. Who's number 1?
Me!
Choose a gift.
Oh boy, this is gonna take time.
Choose the elephant. You getting that one?
Alright, you gotta open.
Alright, open it.
I thought you can't see it. You can look.
Huh?
You can look.
Everybody can see it. Everybody can see it. So when your turn.
That's a game.
Nice. Pizza game.
Ooh.
That's nice. So the second.
Alright, so show your gift to everyone.
Alright.
So that everybody knows who's what to steal.
Okay.
Alright, who's next? Number 2.
That's you. Oh.
Alright. What's there? Where? Alright, I'll go with this one. My gift. Alright. Very nice packing. Oh my god! Oh my god! Alright, this is mine!
Friends, everybody's going to get one more turn to swap the gift.
Alright, so if this is locked, you cannot swap. So it's
Just only.
Once the third person has it, you can't.
But in 6 people, it's gonna be so hard to.
Alright, who's next? Number 3.
That's me.
Alright.
Oh, so you pick, everyone
You
pick a
can,
gift.
You can choose, so either you can steal or choose one thing from
So
the
these
But
two.
you don't want to steal. Like
So
you-
it's now his turn. He chooses if he wants to steal
Yeah,
or
he
wants to
didn't
open
want
a
to
new
steal.
one.
Okay,
Yeah.
got
So
it.
he can only steal if someone steals from him.
Oh, okay.
Alright. There are too many friends stand here. So there are too many swaps here. And what I think that somebody who doesn't watch Friends gets friends.
What's quirky power pod, USB desktop charger.
Oh my god!
That's
Cool.
That's cool. 5-foot cable.
Find your messing cable. 6 USB ports.
Oh, I see.
USB ports.
Alright, show your gift. Woohoo! Who's next?
Oh, that's me.
Number 4.
Let me see. Whoa.
That's one gift, yeah.
I don't know.
You got 3 options, or you can choose something from
Oh yeah,
here.
you can, oh no, she has to open a gift.
No, she can choose anything. She can steal from anyone also.
Without opening a gift?
You're right.
Yeah.
And then whoever she steals from, they'll get a new gift or steal it from.
Yeah. You can steal, or you can open a new one. Ooh, that
You
looks
can't
big.
steal.
That's all one.
Oh, this is all
That's
of
Yeah.
all one.
He's trying to be like,
That's a huge box.
Yeah, it's a box. It can be an empty box.
Here, I'll hold it for you.
Does it sound empty?
Should I get that one?
Up to you.
That
Color.
Smaller the merrier, or the
one.
bigger the merrier?
The smaller the merrier. Normally they just trick you with a box. That's how it works. Okay.
All right, number 4, opening the gift.
Oh.
Coco.
Oh, yeah.
Coco's of Christmas.
There.
That's pretty.
Yes.
Oh, Coco mixes of
Nice.
Christmas.
All right, number 5. Who's number
I
5?
don't want those two, those are mine.
You can steal from us. I mean, it doesn't have to be those 2.
I don't want to steal that yet, because that's not,
Okay.
it has a chance to
But you
steal.
lose your chance if you don't steal it now.
Just steal and just do whatever you want. Just do it.
It's in the same house.
see that's the advantage.
All right, I get to choose something now.
You can steal something or open
No, number 6 is left.
No, but
like he just lost
but
his
he
Oh,
lost
But
the
okay.
I have to pick something.
But now he's again in the thing that is
You have
just,
to
he knows
show your
these.
gift. Hold this.
All right, I choose friends again. No, I cannot steal that.
Can't
one.
steal
I cannot
that.
steal
Yeah, can't steal that.
I forgot.
All right, I'll
Okay.
take the. I guess the. Either one. Of
You have to pick one.
Yeah, I mean. So do I drink more coffees or do I sit
That's
more in
not
the
coffee.
computer?
That's
This is
cocoa.
It's chocolate.
I think I sit more in the computer. I like Christmas. All right, I get the barcode.
But it's not locked yet, right?
No,
No.
that's
Yeah.
the first.
This is just one swap and that's one swap.
I'll open the.
Do you like this one and that one? The bigger the merrier.
This feels like alcohol. See, I got red wine.
Nice.
Yep, that is a red wine. Looks like one.
30
I got a flirty bird.
flirty bird.
Woohoo!
And then
I was like, what is this big box?
Not the best packing here.
What is that?
oh, it's a big box.
It's a big box.
It's a big box of chocolate. All chocolate.
Oh my god.
A bunch of chocolate.
Whoa.
Alright.
Ooh.
That's perfect, man.
Damn, I don't want
Chocolate.
Chocolate and wine.
Yeah, now you can go.
I'll just go.
All right, this one now.
So then everybody knows everything. All right.
You get the packet?
I didn't wrap it.
All right. So, Pacific fruit, swing, sweet watermelon,
Watermelon wine.
and
Kisses.
some kisses.
Good.
And then, let's see this one.
Ooh.
Almost that.
Ooh.
Like a mixer.
Oh, mixology set. All right.
I can't still
Then
Alright, who's number one?
you get to go
Get
again.
to choose once more. Either you get to steal because there's nothing to open.
Fingertip or
When I do, I cannot steal.
Alright,
don't keep
I'll
from
share.
her.
I have a
Share,
beautiful
I'll give you one set.
I thought that you were keeping
share.
I
it.
think we should keep your gift. I think that's cool.
But where would you steal it from?
See mine. But you can see mine if you want. It will still be in the same household.
The other person gets to pick another one. So, what do you want to do? You want this beautiful whiskey chocolate?
That's what they want.
Everybody is like, I can't.
Let's see my game.
Alright.
So everybody got their gift. No, that's it. You get the last chance. Everybody got their gift.
Yeah.
It didn't go that long because there are less people.
Yeah.
And it was easy to because of the couple thing. They got stuck with their own gifts at the end. Oh, this is super cool. I've been wanting something like this. I will use this.
Need that girl. What? No.
Yes.
No, I
We're
can't
gonna
do
be sure
that.
buddies. We both have to.
Alright, we'll show you the gifts that we got once we reach home. Alright guys, so we are leaving. We had such an amazing dinner. They cooked super delicious dinner, so we are so full and they're gonna get us leftovers tomorrow, so we're super excited.
There's a bunch of leftovers.
Yes.
Are you gonna make me the extra moist turkey sandwich? Moist maker sandwich. So yeah.
Well, anyway, so that was an amazing Thanksgiving. Her first time cooking the
Yes.
entire meal.
Yep.
So, and that turned out to be delicious.
And she
so,
did great.
Yes. So it was all very great. So we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, stay festive.
Bye bye.